In the quiet heart of the old forest stood a tree unlike any other. Its bark, a mosaic of deep greens and purples, seemed to absorb the very light around it. Locals called it the Sentinel, for it had watched generations pass, its branches reaching skyward with an almost conscious grace. No one knew its true age, only that it predated all memory. A strange hum sometimes emanated from its trunk, a low thrumming that vibrated through the earth. It was a sound easily dismissed as wind or insects, yet it carried an unsettling resonance. Then the changes began, subtle at first. The leaves, once a vibrant emerald, took on an iridescent sheen, catching the moonlight with an unnatural glow. A faint, metallic scent, like ozone after a storm, began to cling to the air around its base. Birds, once frequent visitors, now avoided its canopy, circling wide before finding other perches. Animals, too, seemed to sense a shift, their nocturnal paths veering away from the sentinel's looming shadow. An unspoken tension settled over the clearing. One night, under a sky devoid of stars, the hum intensified. It grew from a whisper to a resonant throb, shaking the very ground. The air crackled with an unseen energy, a pressure building that made the ears ache. Then, the bark began to peel, not in flakes, but in vast, geometric plates. They retracted inward, revealing a surface beneath that was not wood, but polished, seamless metal. A soft, internal light pulsed from within the emerging structure. The branches, once organic limbs, elongated and sharpened, transforming into sleek, aerodynamic fins. The roots deep within the earth groaned and tore free, coiling into powerful thrusters. The tree was not merely changing, it was reconfiguring itself. What stood before the dawn was no longer a tree. It was a vessel, impossibly sleek and silent, forged from the very essence of the forest. Its metallic skin shimmered with the same iridescent hues as its former leaves. The hum became a deep, resonant purr, a sound of immense power held in check. It was a machine, yet it retained an organic elegance, a testament to its arboreal origins. The air around it vibrated with anticipation. This was not a craft built by human hands, nor by any known civilization. It was a living ship, born of the earth, yet destined for the stars. A profound sense of awe, mixed with a chilling dread, filled the silent clearing. Slowly, majestically, the arboreal vessel began to rise. It ascended without a sound, a silent leviathan lifting from its ancient bed. The ground beneath it, once its anchor, now became merely a launching pad. It climbed higher and higher, a dark silhouette against the paling sky. The last glimpse was of its iridescent surface catching the first rays of the sun, a fleeting, impossible star. Then it was gone, swallowed by the vast expanse above. The clearing was empty, save for the deep impression left in the earth. The metallic scent lingered, a phantom reminder of the impossible event. The forest, once home to the sentinel, now held a profound silence. What was its purpose? Where had it gone? The questions hung heavy in the air, unanswered. The tree that became a starship left behind only wonder and the chilling realization that the universe held secrets far stranger than we could ever imagine.